Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here walking by my block, right? So I see a dope ass Beamer, uh, BMW, and I like the way it looks. It's black, the rims are gold. It looks real nice. So I was about to take a picture of it, and I guess the owner's cat came by and he kind of like pushed me away because I wanted to take a picture of it, but in the end, well, I got a picture, but it was just the back. But he didn't let me take a whole picture, so I'm about to record it and watch the cat push me away. Doesn't it look real nice? I know the cat's behind me somewhere, but let's just wait till he comes out. Oh, there he is, look. That was the cat, you see. I don't know, for some reason he doesn't want to push me right now. But, you see? Stay away. I just like this car. Leave me alone. Stop. Looks real nice, huh? No. Stay away.